Come test drive this 2013 Ram 5500 HD chassis. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. The following features are included: a tachometer, turn signal indicator mirrors, skid plates, and one-touch window functionality. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.